Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, January 21st, 2024. Today's video is about the Upper Michigan blizzard of 1938. Yes, but can your blizzard do this? In the Upper Peninsula of Michigan's storm of the century in 1938, some snowdrifts reached the level of utility poles. Nearly a meter of new and unexpected snow fell over 2 days in a storm that started 86 years ago this week. As snow fell and gale-force winds piled snow to surreal heights, many roads became not only impassable but unplowable, people became stranded, cars, school buses and a train became mired, and even a dangerous fire raged. 2 people were killed and some students were forced to spend several consecutive days at school. The featured image was taken by a local resident soon after the storm. Although all of this snow eventually melted, repeated snowstorms like this help build lasting glaciers in snowy regions of our planet Earth. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.